Hello everyone, welcome back to Leytenia's Kitchenette. To all my dear viewers and subscribers for Leytenia's Kitchenette, thank you so much for always watching my premiere. So I'm going to show you how to prepare a Quaker Oats or oatmeal. This is an instant breakfast. So I have here a Quaker Oats or oatmeal. This is made from Germany, Zarty Haferflocken from Okotest Crownfield. And I have here the fresh milk from Melbourne. And I have here a cookies, chocolate chips cookies. And this is the cookies that I broken. And I have here the hot water. Okay, so first, this is my bowl. I'm going to add Quaker Oats or oatmeal. Then we will add a little bit of warm water just to cook the Quaker Oats. Then we will mix it together with the warm water or hot water. Okay, this is it, guys. Then we will add some. This one is the fresh milk or Melbourne full milk from Germany, a product of Germany, a quality product. Okay, so this is it. So this is my instant Quaker Oats. Okay, we can add more Quaker Oats, a little bit more. Okay, and we will mix it. So this is it. So I'm going to add these cookies. This is a cookies, guys. Look at this. So this is the cookies. Oh, this is the cookies. So we are going to cut this one into many portions so that we will add in here to the mixture of Quaker Oats and milk. So I have already here this one. So we will add this one as our sweetener, as a toppings or sweetener, because these cookies have already many chips chocolate. Look, it's added with chocolate chips, very sweet. So I don't need any sweetener for my Quaker Oats, only this chocolate chips cookies. So this is already sweet. So this is it, guys. So look at here, this is now my Quaker Oats with chocolate chips cookies. Look at this. Okay, so this is served as the sweetener because it has a lot of chips inside, chocolate chips. Okay, so you just simply take one, and this will start our mukbang. So let's start our mukbang. It's crunchy because of their cookies. Look. So guys, this is a very yummy, instant, healthy breakfast. This is just my version, guys, adding this chocolate chips cookies in order to use this one as my sweetener. You can mix it like that when the chips is already soft, or you can just direct eat the cookies together with your Quaker Oats, just like that. Oh, take one full tablespoon and eat. So yummy. So I hope, guys, you like this instant oatmeal breakfast. So if you like this preparation, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and if you're new to my channel, Please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my new videos. This is also a product review of chocolate chips cookies made from Germany, and also a product review of the Quaker Oats from Crownfeld. And also this is also a product review from Melbona quality milk from Deutschland or Germany. Okay, so thank you so much for watching for this premiere from Leytenia's Kitchenette. I hope to see you guys again in my next premiere. And to you all, my dear viewers and subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for always following my channel and watching my premiere every day. And I'll see you in my next product review and premiere and mukbang. Yahoo! You can also give this to your children as a snacks, guys. This choco chips is I'm only adding 2 pieces in this breakfast. 2 pieces of chips only. I add this here as a softener or as a sweetener only for the Quaker Oats. 2 pieces of this cookies is enough for this sweetener for the Quaker Oats. So see, it's very yummy. I'm finished already with my mukbang. Maraming salamat. Eparesto puli. Merci beaucoup. Shukran jasilan. Buot-buot shukya. Terima kasih. Eparesto puli. Buen gracias. Grazie. Bidang. Finindang. Ug daghan kayong salamat. Buen appetit. Vamos comer, amigas, amigos, and sayonara. Tapos na. Finish. Fertig. Woohoo! Yummy. So, yun. So, this is from this Quaker Oats Haferflocken made from Crownfeld, Deutschland. And this is the chocolate chips from Germany, from American style. And the milk is from Melbona. Dankeschön and best butter. Bye-bye.